How you feeling?
I'm great.
Perfect.
What's poppin', TNC family? It's your girl Ty, and we are back again with another lit video. So, in today's video, we will be walking Pinnacle Mountain.
For those who don't know what Pinnacle Mountain is, I'm gonna give you a brief preview. Alright, that's what it's gonna be looking like. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty big mountain. It's gonna be a high climb. It's hot. What's the degree?
It says it's 80 degrees.
I'm going back home. I'll let her through the mountain. When they helicopter her out of there, I'll be there. Cause it's hot, y'all, and it ain't no jokes on this mountain.
Yeah, the wind ain't even really blowing, so yeah.
Oh my God, there ain't no wind.
So this is my first time ever walking Pinnacle Mountain. I've never been to Pinnacle Mountain. I've always heard about it, but never came. So
A little lot longer than me.
that's true. I've never came. So, but I'm excited. I'm ready to get it going. We'll see what it's about. By the time y'all see me, I probably ain't gonna have the same energy. Anyways, TNC family, before we get started with the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, or what up, baby?
Why she ask me? Follow on social media. And don't forget to share and like it's always free.
Right. That's it. Thank you.
And what
Alright. That's outrageous.
It's been 10 steps in. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. How you doing?
2 hours?
She thought this was a joke, guys.
I'm already tired.
We'll see.
Goddamn right.
I'm going back down. I can't. This says that. We on 6. Where's that right there? It's in the background now, but gotta get a little closer. How you feeling?
I'm tired.
She tired. I'm ready to get back in now. No fear.
I am too, but listen, let me tell y'all, this is my first time ever hiking Pinnacle Mountain. And I'm tired. But I'm determined to make it to the top because I want to see what it looks like at the top. Everybody said it's beautiful, so
It is nice.
I'm determined to make it.
It's really nice.
So let's get back in there.
Let's do it. So, what do you see ahead of you there? Ooh, y'all. I tried to tell her it's serious. It is serious. Nature out here looking nice. Real nice. That's man-made. Man-made, once again. Nature. Apparently we passed some poison ivy. Nature scary, y'all. But it made it to the top. Well, okay. It's like right there, but looks like a far drop down. But he finally made it up here, y'all. She's right behind me. I think y'all can see it right there in the shade, I'm pretty sure. Say hey to the camera. She a little tired there, she a little tired, but we done made it.
Alright, TNC family, we made it to the top. And I am exhausted. I'm proud of us.
I'm ready for round 2.
I'm ready to go eat.
We're going down and coming right back up.
I need some food. I'm tired. I'm exhausted.
I'm getting back in there.
But I'm proud of us.
You gonna get back in there with me?
Not right now. But we made it to the top, y'all.
That right there?
It's so beautiful up here.
It's nice. Alright, we headed down now. How you feeling, baby? She ain't wrong. It is jello legs right now. But we got this. Positivity, positive thoughts. We got it. Oh, almost died. This is it, y'all. This is my last record. Alright, y'all. We headed down here. How you feeling now?
I'm okay. My ankle still hurt though.
Ooh, let me tell y'all. This is some serious. Nature fun is nice. Beautiful even. But it's scary at the same time. We came across poison ivy. And bugs just be bugging. You know what I'm saying, man? They got all this nature. They want to be in people's houses. They want to be in your face. They be in these restaurants. They be everywhere but where they supposed to be. Wait, did we invade the did we technically invade bugs' space? Because, you know, we kind of just took over.
That's
Okay, so never mind. Scratch that on the bug thing. Y'all, we finally made it down. Back to the car. Where your excitement at? We here. Turn that frown upside
I'm not
down.
excited as I was when we first got here. But I'm proud of myself.
You proud of yourself?
Yeah.
That was a hard journey, but we did it. I think at least I lost about 1 million calories. I'm just guessing though. I ain't gonna say that's perfect math, but I think that's at least close. Think about 1 million calories. What you think?
Yeah. But
Yeah.
1,873 calories.
That's what her watch say. I'm saying I did 1 million. Forget all that. But thank y'all. Thank y'all.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications.
Follow us on social media. Remember that like button is free. And we'll see y'all later.